Alright, so we have no electrician. I got a pile of kitchen cabinets sitting over here. This is not the way a kitchen is supposed to look. Cabinets are supposed to be installed. Nobody's here working. My job site, my job is, what's the frig is going on?
Right,
Where is the electrician?
I know, I'm not an electrician. I told you, Rich, that's the problem with these jobs. These subs say they're going to be here, and they're not here and change the panel. Without power, we can't do anything. So yeah, the cabinets got delivered, everything's done on time, and all it takes is one person to screw up weeks of planning, scheduling, and getting everything lined up.
Rich is one of the greatest guys in the world to work with, but as a gay customer, he is out of control.
I'm not happy. I've told you before to fire Joe the electrician. He's screwing up my job sites.
Well,
I have a schedule to keep, and this is not working for me.
It's not going to get anywhere better, Rich. I mean, all these guys are like prima donnas. I'm only as good as what my subs and electricians and if the plumber and electricians say they're going to be here on Tuesday, and I text you and say, plumber and electricians are going to be here on Tuesday, and they don't show up, it makes me look bad, but I can only tell you these things as far as what they tell me.
Well, I don't care if they saw it with their teeth. I need to get this job done.
Have you seen my guy's teeth?
Saw by the teeth.
I think it's because Richie, he don't like this.
Not that I like this.
Good news is, I got your floors in.
Yeah, I know.
And they're covered, protected, so this way everybody who walks through, the floors come out really nice. I'm really happy with the subfloor the way it was, the floors. We cleaned them up a little bit, got everything lined up, and they actually look really good.
All right, I will give you that much. The floors do look good.
The floors look great. What are you talking about? Even the
That's the only compliment you're getting out of me.
Rich has these little issues and these little quirks that you have to work around. You try and manipulate it, but it doesn't really happen. It just kind of comes along.
I want to show you a couple things.
How are the floors not done? So all you did was the freaking stairs.
All we did was the stairs.
Oh my God. I was all excited thinking that the floors were done. Now we're another week away on here.
No, we're not a week away now.
Oh my God.
Listen, this stuff here is not... If I refinish this, it's on you.
What do you mean it's on me?
These
This
floors
will come out and look just like the stairs.
I know, but this stuff like this, Rich, is gonna have gaps and shit in it.
I know it's gonna have
I'm
gaps.
just telling you, all this stuff that you see like this here, we're gonna put putty in here. We'll put some putty in here. But this stuff that you see, like this weird shit like this isn't gonna clean up like you think it's gonna clean up.
It's gonna look like the stairs. It'll be fine.
I'm just telling you, these
It'll be
gaps.
fine.
I'm just telling you, these gaps that you.
It'll be fine. Just do it.
I'm just telling you, these gaps that you see here are gonna get accentuated.
Yeah, I know that. It's fine. That'll be the look. That's the look. Tasso loves to complain about these floors. He does this all the time. I don't even know how many times we've done floors just like this. They come out beautiful. He likes to be so freaking dramatic all the time. So I decided to come over to the other job site to try and find Joe the electrician, but he's MIA. Not here, not over there. I'm not real happy. He's holding up my freaking job.